Guys, and today we're gonna have another Pixel Gun 3D video for you guys. In today's video, we're gonna be doing this secret force rifle. You guys, I hope I can get kills, and yeah. So hopefully we can like kill some people, cause I knew. Oh yes, I finally get to put up one. But she's not really online. She probably is, but I don't know. Sometimes my friends, they're not actually online, it's someone else, like being a computer, like my friend, those friends are being computers, and yeah, I don't know, Ghost is here. Like, he doesn't talk much. I want friends that talk a lot, but I'm gonna just still keep him as a friend, and yeah, that's what we're doing so much. Ooh, night party. No. I said I was going to do the secret rifle. I just know something. Look at the chairs. Wait, what the? Chairs? Hold on, guys. Something's wrong. I'm going to check this out. Like, it's nothing that wrong. It's just that something. There's chairs now? I don't know, guys, but I will do the secret rifle. Oh my gosh! Okay, so guys, we're gonna do the secret rifle, secret force rifle. Hope I can get some kills, because I know how many people use the Stormhammer to kill him faster. But that wasn't right there. I don't like it. I think you gotta get someone close to it. So let's go to deathmatch, custom. I think we find a good match. Let's go to school. Hopefully I can get like people, and yeah. So let's go ahead. I have a little bit of battery. I don't think I might be making the third video for today, and I don't know if my other videos uploaded already. So yeah. Let's go ahead and let's go. That's using next, guys. Let's go ahead and jump. Dude, this guy's gonna get in my nerves. Okay, so. What's the phone with this? So hopefully we got one kill. Not bad, but for the first kill. First one's done, okay. I'll see you on the second one. So I just got two right there. That's right. Let's go ahead and get X. Oh, nope, we can kill. Let's go. Guys, if that sounds up, yeah, I am. Okay. Victory, guys. I won't join. So that was great map, but like I want more people, so I'm not checking on that. But hope I won. Like I just started and time was about to run out, and I usually do that too. I usually win. I'm like whoa. So yeah, let's go ahead and join another match for you guys, and we should stop at 14 because I can only stop at 15 minutes. So yeah, let's go to a different map. Let's do team fight probably. Maybe not. some people who use Mac and stuff like that. This is my game match. Let's try some castles. Oh man, someone already made names. 2 castles? I used to always, whenever I first deleted Quicksilver, I saw the overdrive, I was like, and then I always started out, like, for the level 1, I always started out for 2 castles, and my one. Like, my team won, because I already knew the update came, and I played there for a while, so then I felt like deleting it and doing this again. So I did it, and I did win all those matches. And also my team was losing by 3 points one time. They had 7, and time almost ran out. Then I got 8 flags, and time ran out. I was like, so scared I couldn't make it. Why did people keep leaving? So hopefully we could find someone. And please come on, that'll be a review. Let's go to mining camp. Usually I don't do reviews on like this. I'll usually do deathmatch, but like there's barely any people on some of the matches, and some of the matches I can't join because they're full. So hopefully I can try and do some. He's not using the map. So hope we don't lag too much, but I don't know if you can. Okay guys, this something happened, but I don't know what happened. So let's just go to deathmatch, I guess. I hope no one's using the max, because max turns anything around. Because yeah, I don't like those things. Like I don't deploy them because they get in my nerves. Ooh, let's go to Ant Splash. I wonder how those feel being in Ant. Oh gosh. But we should get some kills with the secret force rifle. And oh gosh, it's already 7 minutes. Aaron, player and player. Aaron's going. No, that's not it. Player, you are fed. Welcome to the laser house. I don't know what player. Oh no, here's the little player. Ah! Okay, I'm just gonna the second player. I want the superstar boy. First player. The guy with the I think I should burn another pick to Eren Yeager has come back from the Titans. I don't know what to say anything. Oh my god, guys, we're going to sound like a no, guys, we're going to try to, okay, maybe we'll do a spawner review. Come back here. You playing or something? Okay. Oh, you gotta use fucking. Oops, I don't know, swear. My earbud just get, and then the phone just doesn't use the spectrum. Oh, I won. Wait, for me? For no one else. Go ahead and send someone else. Hopefully I can find other people can get some. I think we're doing like 3 of us. 3 of us, let's do this. Come on. I got this. I'm leader. I'm on Fireball throwing a wizard. And yeah. Use the fast memory so you can go faster so you can go faster sometimes. Where's the other person? They're gonna start using the mix, so I can tell they're gonna start using the mix. They're like, oh my god, how did he kill me? Unless they're gonna use the same weapon on me. They never know. Player 1. I'm gonna just call you player now, because you're the only player now. Yeah, I think this is gonna be the great game. Really good. There's somewhere. Oh no, I'm trying to play the chance. Whatever, I can't count some stuff like. Oh. Where are you? Okay. Oh, he went to knock at me. No? He's just so. Look at the goosebumps right down. I'm gonna be a better man using great guns. But then, alright, guys, this is gonna be a great gameplay. Their combat gameplay, but like, I didn't want to put it. I mean, like, it was terrible. I was lagging so bad too. So that's why I'm not much in this one. I probably won't see the lag, but yeah. Alright, we'll go finish it. Come on! I'm gonna do something. I think they're gonna take some more. This one. Okay. Come on, guys. Yes. Go Laser Gaming! Go Laser Gaming! I probably won't be as popular as Exotic Gaming, but that's okay. I usually don't. Sometimes. Because he is a great YouTuber. You can go to my channels and you'll see him and start subscribing to him because he's a good pixel player. And Lowe's Gaming also. Support him. Subscribe to them, comment them, and they should comment you back. Support. Everyone needs support, right? Poor people, injured people, a lot of people. Got it. Super cool. Okay. They're down there, I think. Wait, I think there's something there. I'm sorry guys, I had to use your minigun. I'm so fast, I had to. There's no way I would have made it in there with the deterrent and that guy in there. I'll come in and I was able to do it. I don't know why they go in there too. That's the first time I heard it feel. I never want to fall. No! I could have been nothing. Stupid thing, man. No! Okay, kill him. Oh, because someone else. He's right there. There it is. Two players. Okay, the one with the freaking superstar. It's best player. Oh. Hopefully, not me. Oh, it's off. Okay, guys, this gameplay is going really good. I'm afraid this is already supposed to be done. Yes, guys, hope you enjoy. See you guys later.